Scan complete on 42B. Vitals are good. Send her through.
Temperature is 101.5. Hooves look solid, no signs of foot rot.
Got it. All vitals normal and logged.
Everything sounds good, little one. You're very healthy.
Look at this cluster on the microscope feed.
The sensor data shows a corresponding spike in protein levels.
The robotic arms ensure every premium label is applied with absolute precision before the automated cameras conduct their final inspection.
The pH levels are right on target.
Excellent. The coagulation looks perfect, ready for the cut. The journey begins at the dairy, but the modern processing complex represents the next crucial stage of this industry. The automated gates ensure a calm, stress-free environment for the alpine goats as they move. Every Boer goat passes through an automated sanitation corridor, where advanced hygiene systems ensure a clean process.
The new units are much faster. Yes, efficiency is up 20% this quarter.
Every goat hide enters large stainless soaking drums where automated cleaning systems remove impurities, water swirling dramatically around each goat hide.
Just this minor scuff here.
It's acceptable. The hand feel is excellent.
The dyeing process is meticulously monitored, guaranteeing flawless consistency and luxury texture. Automated cutting machines use laser-guided technology to cut premium Boer goat leather into precise jacket panels, gloves, The holographic readout confirms a 20% increase in tensile strength. Remarkable. And the microscopic analysis shows complete collagen stabilization.
The readout shows we are maximizing the yield from the trimmings.
Excellent. The pressing system is ready for the next batch.
We're seeing a sharp decline in the milk processing output right here.
Yes, but the packaging metrics are still stable. Let's cross-reference the farming data.
A full day's journey, from the sustainable sourcing of our cashmere to the high-speed logistics that bring it to your door. Computer-controlled tanning drums transform every goat hide into durable premium goat leather using synchronized chemical dosing systems and precision. Automated laser scanners measure every goat leather sheet for thickness, flexibility, and natural grain consistency before luxury manufacturing begins.
The purification system is recycling nearly 95% of the water. That allows us to process the remaining leather sustainably.
From the farm to the terminal, every stage of the process is synchronized across this vast complex.